Oh, hey, BOOZHOO. I'm just playing a little guitar here. How you doing? And I was thinking about my grandpa. I was thinking about Nima Shomas' grandpa. My grandpa went to boarding school. He went to Flandreau Indian School back in the day. And if you ever wonder why more of us don't speak Ojibwe, a lot of that can be traced back to the boarding school era. When my grandpa went to boarding school, it was strictly forbidden to speak Ojibwe at all. You know, they tried to they had a mission at the school there that say to save the child by killing the Indian. And so they tried to make the kids forget that they were Anishinaabe and they wouldn't allow them to speak their language or, have long hair or any of that. So I wrote a song. This song is called Home. And it's about my grandpa who was born in 1913. And it's called Home. Giwe, Giwe, Home. And that's our Ojibwe word for the day, Giwe, home, or like go home. All right, hope you like this song.
I was born in 1913 in the storm of 1913. But then at boarding school I was nobody's fool down at Flandreau. I grew madder every day. That's why I had to run away. This is no way to live. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. And on a fateful day, me and my brother Ray, we planned our getaway. If we can make it to the tracks, we won't be coming back. We're gonna hop a train. I thought we got away, but then the cops came and took us back. I remember it still. I saw a whippoorwill on my windowsill. How could I sit still? I got right up and I walked right out. The teacher said to me, "Where do you think you're going, boy?" I said, "I'm going home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home." I said, "I'm going home. I wanna go 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 home."
Hawa. Miigwech Bizendawiye. Thank you for listening. And thank you for watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Giga Waba Min Minawa. Hawa.